Looking for a cutting board that's lightweight, durable, and made to last? The John Boo's Chop and Slice collection delivers exactly that. Measuring 16 by 10 and a sturdy 1-inch thick, these boards are designed for everyday kitchen use without weighing you down. Whether you're prepping a quick meal or tackling more complex recipes, this board promises a reliable surface that's easy to handle and store. What really sets John Boo's boards apart is their heritage and craftsmanship. Proudly made in Effingham, Illinois, these boards have been crafted by skilled artisans since 1887. They use sustainably sourced northern hard rock maple, selected by hand to ensure quality and longevity. The company's commitment to sustainability is serious. They've been a member of the National Hardwood Lumber Association for over 50 years and hold a sustainability certification. So, when you choose a Boo's board, you're not just getting a tool. You're supporting responsible forestry and expert craftsmanship. The Chop and Slice board is reversible, giving you twice the usable surface, and it's NSF certified for food safety. Compared to plastic boards, it's easier on your knives, reducing dulling over time. Plus, it's a sustainable alternative that avoids the environmental downsides of plastic. Cleaning is simple. Hand wash and dry immediately. Dishwashers are a no-go. Regularly applying John Boo's mystery oil and board cream keeps the wood sealed and protected, especially in dry climates or when the board is new. These maintenance steps might seem small, but they make a huge difference in preventing warping or splitting. I've personally used John Boo's boards for years after seeing them favored by top chefs on the Food Network. One key lesson I learned early is to never leave wet foods like tomatoes sitting on the board. Always remove food right away and dry the surface thoroughly. This simple habit keeps the board from absorbing too much moisture and cracking. Also, avoid harsh soaps that strip natural oils. With proper care, your Boo's board will stay strong and beautiful for years, even with daily use. Remember, wood naturally resists bacteria, making it a safer choice in the kitchen. If you're serious about cooking and want a cutting board that combines tradition, sustainability, and professional quality, the John Boo's Chop and Slice is worth a look. It's the preferred surface for chefs and restaurants worldwide for good reason. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your prep game with a board that's built to last and designed with care.